Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we are fixing an RP4A. I've been trying to fix this. I bought a new one online. I know you can take out these little chucks in here that seal in there, and that should fix it. I've released the pressure on both of these with the little valves that are on the top here. Let water out. It stops dripping here, but as soon as it's on, it just blows a bunch of water out. I had a few pieces I can't find that I just threw on the ground here somewhere, but essentially I have PVC pieces with the glue on it, and as I'm looking at this one, this is from the first one, you gotta look carefully. You see right here, this is a piece of PVC that's jammed in there, so it's not closing. So let's see if we can pry this out carefully. Ugh. There we go. Looks like we are now seating all the way on. I don't know if that's it or not. I think so, because if you can see on the bottom here, this moves up and seals down on here. Let's put it back together and see real quick. Okay, now we've got this seated. Let's screw these back on and give it a whirl. I'll also note when I was pulling this one out, I found a few pieces of PVC like I mentioned. I was trying to show you guys, but they were like, I don't know, probably about 3/4 of an inch long, and they were just stuck kind of down in the pipeline area. So I was trying to get some of that out. I'm thinking this is gonna fix it. All right, let's turn this on. Okay, no leaks. So that is awesome. I'll show you guys the water is actually on. But that has stopped it. So this was just leaking one day. I came out in the morning, just water gushing out everywhere. Ended up taking it apart, pulling that piece of PVC out, tightening everything back up. And it looks like that fixed that leak. Again, I tried opening these and this stopped the leak from here as long as these were running. As soon as these were closed, this would just drip consistently and quite a bit. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.